Hi, I'm Allison from Frontiska Heritage Center, and today I'm going to be talking about telling the time using the sun. Before we had watches and clocks, that is how people would keep up with, what time they were supposed to meet up with someone. When the sun reached a certain point in the sky, that is when you decided, okay, it's this time. So throughout the centuries, as people observed that it pretty much goes the same place, the same time every day, they figured out that they could start assigning numbers to those different positions in the sky, and that's where we start getting the origination of, the start of clocks. So if you want to try doing this at home just to test for yourself, what you're going to need is some sort of stick. You can use a broom handle just to stick out of your yard. You just want to make sure that it's relatively straight. I just have this little dowel right here, so it's kind of short, but it works. So all you do is just find you a nice place outside where you get lots of sunlight, because you're going to need a shadow for this to work. So just take your stick, poke it out in the dirt, and then see where the shadow is. And then to track your sundial throughout the day, when you think maybe about an hour has passed, you can just take a rock or something and just mark, okay, where is the end of that shadow? And then set your rock down and then wait a little bit of time, and then you say, okay, where's the shadow now? And then you put that to mark where you think the next hour is, and then you can go back and, using a watch, mark out where the actual hours are and just see how accurate your guess was. But that is how people first started coming up with the idea of tracking time, was using light from the sun. So I have here this worksheet. It's available on our website, www.heritagecenter.org, where you can track sunrise and sunset if you want, just to be a little bit more familiar with when that's actually happening now. And then down here you can diagram and keep up with your own sun shadow observations there. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comments section of this video. Thank you so much for your time.